Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Finder. Today, I'm super excited because we're diving into a platform that's going to change the way you think about AI app building. Imagine owning all AI tools in one place: ChatGPT, Sora, Gemini, and more, all accessible from a single dashboard. With OnSpace AI, we can replicate the core functionality of AI home design in under 3 minutes using just one prompt. Now, let me show you the final result first. Here's a project I created, the Nano Banana Room Designer, fully built by OnSpace AI. From here, I'll show you exactly how easy it is to do this yourself. I'll open a new workspace, copy-paste the prompt, and pause for a couple of seconds to highlight it. Then, I press Enter and watch as OnSpace AI builds the project from scratch in real time. There's no cutting, no editing, just pure AI magic happening right before your eyes. This demonstrates not just functionality, but the efficiency and power of OnSpace AI. Everything is written in plain natural language, no coding required. That's one of the most incredible features of OnSpace AI. It understands exactly what you want and generates professional results without technical barriers. On the app, first, there is the upload area, where you can drag and drop your images or assets. Next, we have the room type selector, perfect for customizing your design based on style or purpose. The style selector lets you adjust aesthetics, while the comparison slider allows you to see before and after effects in real time. The refinement dialog is where the magic happens. Small tweaks here can drastically improve the final output. You also get a version history, so you never lose previous iterations. And finally, the download button lets you export everything seamlessly. Each step is highlighted for clarity, making it a smooth user experience from start to finish. I have put this well-tested prompt description zone below. Copy and paste in OnSpace AI to test and get your own AI Room Designer app. This means whether you're a designer, developer, or entrepreneur, you can communicate your idea naturally and get a working project in minutes. Now, let's explore the core features of OnSpace AI. We start with the Publish button, which lets you make your project live instantly. Then, we open the Mobile App Builder, perfect for creating fully functional mobile apps without writing a single line of code. OnSpace AI also supports payment integration. While we're not setting it up here, you can integrate Stripe or IAP payments into your projects. For a full step-by-step guide, check out our official YouTube channel, where we show exactly how to do it. Another powerful feature is the one-click upload to the App Store. With OnSpace AI, you can create a mobile app and instantly see where to publish it, whether it's the App Store or Play Store. One click, and your app is ready for deployment. OnSpace AI also offers fast and reliable customer support. If you ever need help while building your app, assistance is always just a click away. Finally, take a quick glance at the models list: Sora, Gemini, and more, giving you a wide range of AI capabilities at your fingertips. And that's a complete walkthrough of OnSpace AI, which makes building apps easy, fun, and even profitable. This is a paid tool. If you want to purchase it, simply click on pricing and purchase any plan you want. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.